Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make multiple poached eggs at once. First, select a wide, shallow pan and fill it with about 2 to 3 inches of water. Next, add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar for every quart of water. This helps the egg whites set. Bring the water to a gentle simmer, ensuring it's not boiling vigorously. This controlled heat is key for perfectly shaped eggs. Once your water is ready, crack each egg individually into its own small bowl or ramekin. This step allows you to gently slide each egg into the simmering water without breaking the yolk. Place the eggs into the water one by one, being careful not to overcrowd the pan. Giving each egg enough space ensures they cook evenly and maintain their beautiful shape. Allow your eggs to cook for approximately 3 to 4 minutes if you prefer a runny yolk. For a firmer yolk, you might extend the cooking time slightly. Once cooked to your liking, use a slotted spoon to carefully lift each egg from the water. Gently drain any excess water by placing them on a paper towel-lined plate before serving. Now for the best part, serving your delicious, perfectly poached eggs. Season them immediately with a pinch of salt and freshly ground pepper to enhance their flavor. They are fantastic on a piece of crispy toast, a top avocado, or as part of a larger breakfast spread. Enjoy your culinary creation. Also, if you're looking to upgrade your home tech, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.